my name is Z1, and this is the explanation for the actual quadratic number 2. So use the turtle module to draw Python code to draw the following 2 times 3 parting. So we use the turtle module, so import turtle, and then we want to draw the little square. It's like a little, this one. So we pick up the pen and then just go to size and fill the colors white. And we use for loop because there's a four sides. So we make the turtle go forward to the D is the size, and then make it like and then let it make a right turn 90 degrees. And then because it's the size is the size of whole thing is 2 times 3, so we need to define the second function, and then we use the first one as a hyper function. So draw 2 times 3, and here's the second function, and then we start x is equal to 0, start y is equal to 0. Just make it to the original position. Then we use for loop. So for the vertical, there's 2, and for horizontal, that is 3. So for I in range 0, 2, and then second one is that is inside for loop. So for y in range 0, 3, that is the horizontal, and then use the first function. So let's make it bigger. So here, and then we run it. So we need to define the turtle as a turt, and then here, and then we just draw the 2 times 3 turtle, and then done. Let's see, we run it. Then we get a 2 times 3 turtle. So that's it.